everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. Now in this video, as the title already reads, it's going to be an intense Sunday reset routine. Okay, I'm someone, I don't do such kind of intense reset on a Sunday and all, because I just have two to three things to kind of reset and the entire week is good to go for me. But I have seen a lot of YouTubers, vloggers doing this. I just thought, let me just try once and see how it goes. If I find it really refreshing and good, I will continue doing it on every Sunday. Okay, and also I feel little like down, and also my surroundings are not clean. I mean, I've been going through a slump, so I thought maybe this kind of routine may also help me to kind of get out of the slump, get refreshed, and get my work go like this. Okay, that's the agenda for today. And starting, I had a very slow morning routine, which is something I really love. And now I'm going to oil my hair. Let's start with the glow up, outer glow up, and side by side we will also take care of the inner side. To me, glow up not only means the things that I do for my appearance, it also means the things I do for my inner self. Okay, that's the glow up. That's complete glow up for me. So today I'll be taking care of my inner self and also my outer self and also my surroundings. Okay, because it's been quite dirty and cluttered all the places where I usually do work. So I'm going to kind of clean those up also today. So yeah, let's hope for a very successful reset routine. So starting now, as I already said, I had a good slow morning routine. And next I'm going to oil my hair. I have already ordered breakfast from Swiggy. It is arriving. In the meantime, I will oil my hair and let the oil soak in. While the oil is soaking in, I'm going to eat my breakfast and clean the surroundings. Okay, that's the next step. Okay, so let's start with the oiling. So it's summer, so my scalp is already has got a lot of sweat built up and all that. So I'm not going to go overboard with these oils. I'm just going to use a little bit, especially on my lens. Okay, I'm going to take this much. Mix it well. You can also mix it in a bowl and kind of apply it, but I don't think I have that patience today. So I'm just going to apply it. Mainly focusing on my lens, because as I already mentioned, my scalp is already built up with so much sweat and dirt. I don't want to apply oil and get it clogged so much more, because it will again end up in hair fall and all that. I need to use extra large amount of shampoo, and I have to use extra large amount of shampoo to get these things off. So I don't want to touch any oil on my scalp. Okay, just on my lens, let it soak. This coconut oil and olive oil combo is something that I really love because it makes your hair really smooth and soft. So yeah, once I applied it nicely, I'm going to tie it in a bun and let it soak. I am back after my breakfast. Okay, so now I am going to clean my surroundings, as I said. So can you see here? All these are my I would call it clutters. Okay, because I just filmed day before yesterday and I didn't clean the space up, and also my working table is such a mess. You can see it, right? So I'm going to start cleaning this particular place. And also I have washed my clothes and I haven't folded it for months now, so I'm going to go and fold it and also arrange it in the rack. The rack is already a mess, so I need to sort that mess, fold clothes and place them. And also here I need to clean it up. So this is the deep cleaning process that I'm going to start now. So wish me luck. Let's start.
One eternity later.
So I am back after cleaning everything. Can you see how it was and how it is now? I feel good about cleaning all this. Like, I should say, if you have any mess around you, just clean it first. It instantly elevates your mood to next level. So yeah, my mood is elevated. And next I'm going to have my everything shower. And what is an everything shower is something you wash your hair, you scrub your body, you kind of shave your underarms and all that. I'm going to have my everything shower, and I'll be right back. We have some other things to do as well. Okay.
1 hour later.
So yeah, I am back from my everything shower, and it feels quite refreshing and nice to have such kind of shower routine every Sunday. So you all must try, and the must try is having a cold drink after your everything shower. Like, it could be soft drink or fresh juices, anything, but it feels like heaven to have a nice cold drink after your everything shower. Okay. And then I'm going to start with my morning skincare routine. I'm going to use a rose water. It also feels refreshing during summers to use. I mean, I always love to use rose waters. Then I'm going to use an under eye serum to kind of contract my fine lines and all that. Okay. And then I'm going to use a color and condition. This is a lip oil by Blue Heaven. I am using that, and then I'll be using a moisturizer from Dot and Key. It is a gel based moisturizer, perfect for summers. And then I'm following it up with a gel based sunscreen again. If at all I'm using a cream based sunscreen, I wouldn't go for a moisturizer, but since it is a silicone based sunscreen, it won't give me enough hydration, so I'm using a moisturizer again. And then I'm going to finish it off by applying a perfume. Like, I need to smell good for myself on this day. Okay, so I'm just doing it. And once we are done with all this, we are done with our morning routine, and it's already afternoon. So I am going to have my lunch. This is pudina rice, and then after that I had this coconut laddus. This is very yummy. Like, it's a good post lunch dessert, I would say. And then I kind of binge watched some YouTube videos. This is my favorite creator, Tam Kaur. I really love watching her. It is a video in which she actually vlogged how she is getting out of a slump, which is also something I'm going through. So it was like really good to watch. Like, I love binge watching. It is for my inner self. Like, yeah, I love it. Netflix, YouTube, or Geo Cinema, all these are my favorite. And then I'm going to do some journaling. This is for your inner self. Okay, I've opened my journal with a cup of coffee, and yeah, we are going to let everything that is suffocating our heart, like our soul, out on the paper. Now, I need to say this: if you want to go through an immense reset, you need to journal it out. In fact, I would recommend you to do it on an everyday basis, because it is so therapeutic to journal, and you will find yourself becoming a better version once you start journaling on an everyday basis. This is something I have personally like experienced. So this is something for your inner self. Okay, so that is why I called it, this is going to be a self-care routine for your outer and inner self. Okay, on your reset day or on your self-care day, make sure to journal. Okay, and next, let's take care of the outer thing. Like, I'm going to apply a hair serum, and I detangled it. And let me just keep my hair away from my face, because we are going to do some intense self-care on our face. Okay, I'm going to use a micellar water to take off the sunscreen and moisturizer, because it's silicone based. Face wash may not be able to do that, so I'm using a micellar water, and then I'm washing it off using simple face wash, then rose water again. And then I'm going to use this Cash Smith hair removal thing to kind of remove facial hair. I am yet to create an opinion about this product. I don't know how it works and all that. I'm just starting to use it, so wait for a dedicated review. Okay, and then I'm applying a little bit of aloe vera gel on my eyebrow, and I'm going to shape it a bit. Like, there is no much shaving that I have to do. I'm just going to like make my eyebrows a little bit more crisper looking. So that's what I'm going to do. And next I'll be masking my face, and for that I'm using this Cambrian blue clay. This is my recent find on Amazon. Like it's a clay which gives you cooling sensation, makes your face clean and refresh. So this is something which is a mandatory weekly thing during summers for me. I'm going to take a spoonful of Cambrian blue clay powder, adding little bit of water and glycerin to make a paste. Apply a thick layer all over my face, keep it for 10 minutes, and then this is how my mask looks after 10 minutes. And then I'm going to wash it off, and I'm going to apply a nose strip. Now, after you apply a clay mask, your blackheads and whiteheads will be pulled to the surface, and you need to take it off using any extraction methods. I'm going to use a nose strip, and then I'm using an under eye patch to kind of hydrate my under eyes and keep it like refreshed. Okay, and then after 10 minutes, I removed my under eye patch, and I'm also removing my nose strip. Now, if you have sensitive skin, stay away from these kind of nose strips and do something else. I don't know what you need to do, but do something else. Okay, and I'm going to discuss you with the result of my nose strip. Okay, it kind of pulled out those sebaceous filaments, blackheads and whiteheads and all that. Next, rose water again, and I'm going to use a serum by Sugandha. It's for hyperpigmentation, and then I'm using a nice watery moisturizer. All this will be featured in a video which is called Summer Care Favorites, which will be up soon on my channel. And this is my final skin condition, and I'm not going to do anything to my nails because I feel they look good. I'm not going to touch them. Okay, so I feel refreshed. And next is the most important thing. It is to kind of plan your week the next week. Okay, I'm using this planner from Life Aroma. I will link her channel. Her videos are of great help. I usually refer to her videos when it comes to planning because I am not that good with that, so I need to make it aesthetic and feel good to kind of pull myself into planning. So her videos are of great help.